Hey guys, today I'm going to be having a nerf war with all of my friends here. And yeah, we're going to be having a nerf war, we're going to be playing in a trampoline, we're going to be doing lots of really cool stuff and you know, all of that stuff. It's going to be really cool, watch till the end and let's get into it. Oh. Okay, so here are the teams, it's me and Ryan versus Lachlan and Frey over there and also Elliot and Alex there miles away. No. Got it? Good, let's start. Okay, it's good. This apple with our hands behind our backs. It's my team, which has Elliot and Freya, versus Ryan's team, which has Alex and Lachlan. He's over there. Okay, yeah! Let's start. 3, 2, 1.
Bruh.
Alright, so guys, it's too hard. I can't do it actually. Yeah, I don't care. Ow! Us all playing around, we had the nerf war, we did the apple challenge, and yeah, if you enjoyed it, please like or do subscribe. I would really like that, and thank you so much. Goodbye. Yay!